And when you see 3 tickets, usually $5 tickets, it's time for Three's a Crowd. Yours truly, Idaho Scratcher with TIT Productions, and we bring you the Sloths of Slingshot. Why? Because we found this little ticket. It was pretty cute looking. I mean, how cute and cuddly are sloths? I mean, they're slow. I mean, here's what's funny though. They would actually slowly bite your finger off. Think about that, and then you can understand how sloths work. 64, 63, and 62. Of course, animals rights activists will probably say, that's not true, but I'm talking slow. It's a joke. Ticket number 64. They do everything supposedly slow, so I really don't know. I think I actually saw they had a person, he was holding on to a sloth, and it had its arms around him, and it just slowly chewed on his shoulder, on his jacket. I guess it thought it was like, the fuzz that was coming out of it or something must have been good. But I see him chew really slow. Anyways, what we want to do is we want to find this. We get a $10 instantly. You find this over in here. You'll get $5 instantly. You must get 2 lines. In other words, you can actually get 1 line in here and not win, which is kind of sucky. Here's some Slingo slots. All you need to do, you're not matching any symbols down here. All you need to do is just get all 3 places, and that's it. So I don't know why they call it slots. It's like a Slingo line, but kind of like this. And these are Slingo chips. Same thing. I don't know why they call them that. They're basically the same concept. This and that are the same concept, really. Anyways, we're going to search for a winner on this one. 1 and 3, 6, 1. Terrible odds for a 5. We like them below. 1, 3, 4, 5. We like that. And there's a $30 winner pretty much in every pack of 75, which is actually kind of sad because we like it when they're 50. So here we go. Is pulling multiple tickets the way to go when playing scratch tickets? The odds are in your favor that way. The more losers you pull, the closer you get to getting a winner, especially as you go in a row. 13, 28, 36. 47, 62. Clear them out of here. You don't get them anywhere else. Oh, wow. That 162 just opened up everything right here. Look at that, because all the free spaces got touched by that. That is nice. But that's the last time we're going to get something good like that. Can't have too many of those. 13, 28, 36. 47, 62. Nope. All right, let's find something. Hey, we needed that. We needed that horseshoe. 12, 45, 55. Nice. This ticket scratches so well right now because it's brand new. 12, 45, 55. And there's the horseshoe. All we have to do is find $5. And it proves the theory. Yes, that pulling multiple tickets does give you a chance of finding winners. How much? Usually not enough to get all your money back, but you got to play the game 3 times. Find something good. 6, 16, 42. 6, 16, and 42. See? No 16 or 6 anymore when you find it up there. So usually that means something, but I don't know what. 59, 63. Why not? How can I draw a correlation to anything? You never know. There's our 63. See, we didn't find 63 up there, but we found it down here. There you are. All right. Why do I play Slingo still? Because we actually won on a 3 hit tickets. We got 3 tickets all in the front in a row. We got 75, 74, 73, and every single one of them hit. One of them was for $100, another one was for like $20, and another one was for $5, and so it was like $125. It was crazy. 10, 31, 58, 73. So they're all down there. 10, 31, 58. And they're not. There is a rainbow. We have a rainbow and a diamond. I should have remembered that one right there. I skipped it. The fog of cold. That's what I'm going to say. Middle of a cold. Should probably be out of it in a few days. A banana. Those are delicious. To be honest, I like banana splits. Some people say, don't put a banana anywhere near my ice cream. Me, it tastes delicious. $3.18.50. All of those numbers. Let's make a check here. $3.18.50. And they're not down there. There we go. That's correlation. 66. Got a 67. Okay, we gotta need a banana. Got a lemon. And some cherries. Sweet and sour. That can actually be tasty. Especially with rice. $7.24.40. 53.70. $7.24.40. There we go. $53.70. No, we aren't gonna find that. I like those bonus numbers to give us something. Gonna have to save us. You know, bonuses never save you. Don't ever think like that. 225.57. Gotta save yourself with the numbers right off. 225.57. Not happening. A bell and clover. Nope. I go a little slower on these ones. I have to rectify those stupid images. They don't mix well with numbers. 15, 20, 34. Oh, so close, but so far. 51.75. Find a 34 and 75. So they won't be down there. 15, 20, 34. That's just the way it is. 51.75, but I look for them anyways. No. Oh, I just had my first watermelon. The Yumi watermelon. Delicious. Melon and orange. Orange, I can use one of those. Lemon, not so much. 17.37.60. Oh, everything but what I need. Oh, look at this. See, I'm telling you, I don't even have one line yet. I should, but I don't. All right, final for the regular game. Then we got to start pushing for the irregular or off season. 427.32. Oh, come on. You got to at least have me have one line. That's how you guys trick me all the time. You got to do it that way. 49.67. Really? Oh, man. I got to have a 52. Or a 46. I mean, they can't leave that alone. It's just, come on. Come on, you got to trick me somehow. All right. $49.67. They really didn't let me touch much of anything down here. I don't know why. But we're 10 minutes in already, so. Let's open her up. Crown of Thorns in a bar. 69.46. There it is. I told you. I knew it. They had to give it to me. That one was safe. You gotta lose. I got one little line right there. That's what they always do. 65.1. 26.56. Of course. Clear out everything but that last one. 69.46. 65.1. 26.56. There we go. A loser. Clear out everything but one. Wow. Now we know where that goes. Ha ha ha. Ah. But we expected that. Actually. Ticket number 63. Here we go. A G-Sting of Death. The only way to beat that now is to get over 25 bucks. 30, 44, 69. $30, 44, 69. And a melon. Yep. Got a melon. We have a melon. I am a melon head. Okie doke. 124.35. 48. 124.35. 48. Got the shoe. I don't know why I like that horseshoe there. Have your foot stepped on by one, you won't like it anymore. Bar. $12.33.52. So I have to get 25 bucks in order to beat that nasty little G-Sting of Death. $11.25.45. Ah, there it is, our first hit on that. You know, I like the Slingos better than Bingos. I mean, there's more engagement going on in a Slingo. The Bingos, you know, it's just kind of hard to get those numbers, but, you know, that's where the images actually take off. 5, 26, 34. 46, 73. So I guess there's an upside in Slingos. 5, 26, 34. 46, 73. It's just a little bit different than having to always spell bingo. Which one takes longer? Don't know. Gonna have to test it. We almost got all our images. We just need an orange. But we got a banana. 355.72. Oh wow, that whole line was wasted. There's a 72. It was wasted on that up there, which prompted me to quickly look down here. Apple. Need an orange. Discrimination. 720.56. 720.56. 66. There's a 66. Route 66. That's gotta win. Gotta win. 720.56. There's a 56. Okie dokie. TIT Productions wants to know, What's the lowest denomination of tickets that you won $100 on? We mentioned that we won it on a 5. We also won it on a dollar ticket. Yep, the double doubler. You saw it. You saw it right here. We had a double and we had a $50 winner. You saw that before on one of our shows. We were doing a climb the ladder challenge. So, how low did you go to get $100? 419. Just leave a comment down below and let us know. 419.32. 419.32. 54.62. There is a 62. Can I at least get 2 lines? Gotta get more than that to beat that other one. 419.32. Dyslexic match right there. 54.62. Nope. Give me an orange. This is the last 2 lines. And I'm having a feeling that I'm going to get a pinched. That's what's going to happen. 10.40.58. 74. Okay, there's a whole line right there. Got to get a lot of them if I want to win, because I can't get just $5. I got a G-Sting. All right, 8.17.39. 8.17.39. 67. Nothing's going up there. 10.40.58. No. 74. No. 8.17.39. No. 67. Not a happening. All right, now we're left with this. Orange. I need an orange. I need vitamin C. Ah, not happening. 6.51.13. 47.16.41. And 18, of course. Did it to us again. Exact same outcome. 1 line equals a loser. Well, the Sloths of Slingshot is a slow winning ticket, that's for sure. Let us begin on the final ticket. Ticket number 62. That is an F. That could be our only chance. 9.25.39. 57.72. 9.25.39. 57.72. I hear somebody's vacuum cleaner. And on another note, vacuum cleaner alert. They are moving out. That is what's going on. 418.46. 418.46. There's our first number. 68. Just because I see an 8 doesn't mean that it is 68. I always get that confused. $10.37.74. Both sides. Oh, all 3 of them reached it. That is crazy. You computer-generated numbers always do that. They always make hidden patterns. Math says that they do. 5.20.45. But what do I know? Not much math, that's for sure. Want to stay away from the numbers. Those numbers dance forever in your mind. 69. And they will. 5, 20, 45. Oh, I still wanted to find a diamond. 13, 17, 43. And then a 56. I'm looking for a sea of numbers and a sea of images. Now you know how my life is. 6, 30, 38. 48, 64. 6, 30, 38. I don't like how it's going on there. 48, 64. I don't like how it's going on that bottom down there. I'm not finding anything. When that happens, you're in for a wreck. 322, 42. And then a 59. 322, 42. There, we finally get something. 22, 42. A banana. Ooh, need an orange. 15, 35, 53. And our lucky 62. 15, 35, 53. And 62. Nope. Crown and an emerald. Do I have any of them? No. 258, 73. 258, 73. Really? Ugh. All right. Going on for another loser. Or are we? Cherries and a lemon. Got an orange. 8, 31, 54. Last chance. $14.32.7. There is 32 and 7. $49.36. 67.24. 49.36. 67.24. And again, with a loser. And I have to find out why. What was it that took us out? Which one was it? B-Sting? G-Sting? I know it's something. The S. There it is. S-T, F, S, and T. Fast. Okay. If it was FGT, it would have been 15, but it's the FS. That's what took us out. A sting. That's what it was. An S. Wow. Never seen it do that before. But that is the way the cookie crumbles. Lots of losing. What can I say? Sometimes pulling multiple tickets doesn't do anything but increase your losing. But I did help somebody else find a winner, I'm pretty sure. Ha! Let's laugh at that. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know what you like and what you don't. And hey, we do this kind of stuff all the time. This ticket dried up for us. Hasn't been nice. So we'll probably leave it on the shelf. Probably seed it into some of our other shows just to see if we let it win. But usually when a ticket doesn't like us, we just leave it. And it's probably best that you do too. Because, you know, you'll blow a lot of money. It'll finally give you $50, but you spent $65 trying to get it. It's ridiculous. Or $100. Why do that? Don't do that to yourself. We're not going to do it to ourselves with this. Maybe Angry has something to say about the sloth. I don't know. He's not slow to anger, that's for sure. I have no idea. You guys take care now. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.